Alright guys, hey, so this is a little bit of a different video. I had to drop the kids to Ras Al Had. They're on Easter break and I have no holidays, but I decided that I was going to spend at least one day with them, so I went ahead, dropped them to Ras Al Had. But that's not what this video is about. What it's about is this little thing, the GoPro Hero 10. So I shot the entire video of my trip, at least, on this thing. You're talking about night shots, day shots, and I think this is one of the best action cameras that you can buy. Check out the video. Don't forget to leave your comments below and keep exploring. Assalamu alaikum. So as usual, our last minute trips work this way. The kids are on spring break, but they're gonna get time to go off and enjoy themselves at Ras Al Had, at the Ras Al Had Chalets. We've been there before. This is the second time that we go. We love the place. So I don't have off, but what I do have is tonight and tomorrow the whole day. So we decided that we're gonna go there a day earlier. Head there right now. It's nearly 9 p.m. We should get there by 12 midnight and spend the day with the kids, and then I come back to Muscat and they continue. I'm taking the X, and we have our Volkswagen Terramount 2021. Yeah, 2021. So we have that. That's a pretty awesome family car. I'll do a review for that if you guys want. Let me know. We're off. Alright, so kida, we're set, making a move. Got the walkie-talkies going. Check, mic check. Thank you very much. So here we go. I think we're gonna stop and get some Hardees. So the Amrat, what do you call it? Road, it's closed. We have to go through Wadi Aday. So that's what we're gonna do. Just stop at Al Maha, filling some gas in both cars. Realized petrol's getting expensive, isn't it? Alright, so Khadwena Ekil, we've taken some food, and Mrs. is in her car, I'm in mine. As you can see, time for us to make a move. So one thing I love about Oman is the road network. Self-drive holidays, for you to go and explore different places, it is amazing. The road network in this country is by far one of the top, at one of the top 10 levels in the world. And most of the major cities that you're trying to get to, that lead on to all the different beaches and wadis and mountains, you get roads like these. Talking about self-drive holidays, don't forget to check out Gargara Overland Rentals. We've got some amazing rigs that you can rent out for your long weekends, for weekend getaways, and if you're just coming to visit Oman. One of the best ways to visit this country is on the road, and no better way than doing it with one of our overland vehicles. You've got your rooftop tents, you've got 270 awnings, you've got a fridge, a kitchen system, an ensuite. You name it, everything is on that car, and they're super capable as well, so you're not gonna get stuck anywhere. So do check out Gargara Rentals. I'll put the website down there. We've got competitive rates and we've got really good cars. So keep exploring Oman and do it with us. So soon we entered into the beautiful city of Sur. Now Sur is one of those cities in Oman that no matter how many times you visit, it's always going to give you a chill down your spine. So much heritage, so much culture here. And when you're driving through Sur, you can't not go onto the only suspension bridge in the country, the Aija Bridge. It is a sight to see whether it's at night or whether it's at morning. Sur truly is a really beautiful city. Now from Sur it takes another 35 minutes drive getting into Ras Al Had. The road is lit all the way, so you're not going to have any trouble getting there whether it's day or night. Alright, so we have arrived. Where? We're at Ras Al Had Chalets. That's of course the setup inside the exterior. Fridge did really well. So this is from Camping Art. Let me turn on the lights. See, that's my switch system, and then of course I've got my dual battery system. You can see 100% battery at the moment. But let's turn on the interior lights. There we go. That's much better. So we've arrived. Just wanted to talk about this fridge. It's been with me for about 2 months now, and it's doing really well. But for now, time to get into the chalets and turn all the lights off. So first thing in the morning, we have to go get some things.
Candy.
Not candy. Some other things. So while we go and continue shopping, let me tell you a little bit about the beach chalets in Ras Al Had. They're made up of 2 and 3 bedroom chalets. They come with a swimming pool, and they are really neat and tidy. You've got Netflix on all TVs, and you've got screens in every room. You've got really clean toilets with hot and cold running water. You've got very intricate details that they've actually gone into in the chalets to make sure that when you come here, it actually does feel like you're in a beach house. And chalet number 9 is by far the best one that I like. So you've got foosball tables, you've got a full dining and kitchenette area to serve food, you've got an external kitchen, a barbecue pit. Anything and everything you need is available at the pool villas in Ras Al Had. The prices range from 40 to 60 riyals depending on what size of a villa you get. But I truly recommend that you try the villas out. Alright, El Wahsh. Wallah, I'm having a lazy day in Ras Al Had. So I thought since I'm having a lazy day, it'd be a good idea to go get a haircut. Wow, it's hot here today. It's like boiling hot. Woohoo! Oh, there we go. So, as you can see, it is in the mid of March or end of March, and it's really hot. I mean, like really hot. So you need to be in the shade, you need to be cooled off, you need a fan. Temperatures have already hit the high 30s. That's why at this time of the year, it's actually really nice weather further down the coast. So if you head down towards Bar Al Hikman, Ashqara, Khuluf, all the way down towards Salalah, that's when the weather starts getting better. So if you're visiting Oman during that time, I would recommend that if you're overlanding or camping, then you head from Bar Al Hikman onwards. Masira, all those places have really nice windy weather at the moment. Anyway, I'm in the middle of Ras Al Had and find a barber. After doing some searching, I was lucky enough to find a barber, and I headed back after a haircut to see this beautiful sight. What I love about the Ras Al Had beach chalets is that the kids really get to enjoy and have a break. They can swim in the ocean, they can swim at the sea, they can run around. It's a really awesome place for you to come with the family. So, the chalets aren't too far off from the beach, as you can see right down there. It's about a 10-minute walk. Last time that we were here, we actually got to see some turtles. Of course, don't bother the turtles, but it's nearly Maghrib, and I have to head back to Muscat soon. check out the Ras Al Had Chalets. They are really awesome and can be a very good starting point if you're headed out towards that side of the coast. This could be a good stopping point. They're very comfortable, very clean, and there's a beautiful beach right next to it. So this entire episode, all of it is shot on the GoPro Hero 10. I just got it right before the trip. It came with 2 batteries and stuff, so I'm like, alright, cool. I'm gonna be trying to film everything with the GoPro. Night shots, day shots, and once I edit, I'll let you know how that went. I had a few issues with it, honestly, in terms of the connection and having to update the GoPro. It wouldn't want to update through the Android. I had to connect it to an iPhone to get it updated. But beyond getting the update and everything done, up to now it's been pretty good. A little bit slow in terms of the Wi-Fi download onto the phone and stuff, but beyond that, it's pretty easy to use and nice. I like it. So I usually have at least 2 or 3 cameras with me on each trip, but this time it was only the GoPro. And let me tell you something about it. It's a really cool small camera. It gives you a lot of great shots, it has a lot of great modes, it has a good battery life, and I think that this is probably going to become one of my go-to cameras moving forward on any other trip. So if you're looking for a good action camera, you can't go wrong with a GoPro Hero 10. Although I did not want to leave, but unfortunately I have work in the morning, so I'm just heading out of Ras Al Had. It's 8:45. It's end of March. Weather at night is amazing. I wish I could stay, but duty calls. So I had a 3-hour drive ahead of me on this beautiful road. The road, of course, as I mentioned before, is lit all the way, and the Sur Muscat highway is one of the most picturesque highways that you would drive on in Oman. You get some great views whether it's morning or night. So as I mentioned before, this entire episode was shot with just using this one single camera, the GoPro Hero 10. It's got great picture quality, it's got great sound quality, and it's really user friendly and really easy to use. So I would really recommend, if you're looking for a one-stop camera, this is what you go for. I hope that you enjoyed this episode, and I hope that you do subscribe, like, and share. And remember, keep exploring with Gargara.